Hello mga ka-corner! Bella and I were going for a walk. Right now, mga 8 o'clock in the evening. Pero kasi dito, pag summertime, malapit ng summer, mataas yung araw, mahaba ang araw. Hindi katulad ng pag winter, 4 o'clock ng hapon, madilim na. So, kami ni Bella, we always go for a walk just here around the neighborhood. Look at my girl. This is my girl. She loves to go for a walk. So, yeah, dito lang kami sa neighborhood. Let's go, Langga. Langga, this way. We go this way. See, masipag maglakad tong alaga ko. Tignan mo yung buntot. So, dito ang routine namin ni Bella na maglakad. At my girl. Kung hindi dito, sa kabilang side, doon. See? So, itong neighborhood namin, it's a very quiet neighborhood. At saka, yung hindi ka matatakot na maglakad kahit na madilim na. It's because, yung napaka-safe na neighborhood na to. Itong neighborhood na to, dito sa Edmonton, tinatawag nilang The Hamptons. And, yeah, maganda ang neighborhood, very quiet. Yan. Siya nga pala, sa nagtanong sa akin kung saan daw very cheap na tumira kapag nasa Edmonton ka. Come on lang ga. So, sasagutin ko itong tanong na to. If you live here in Edmonton, the cheapest, or no, not the cheapest, yeah, the cheapest place to live is in Northside, the Northside area or the East Side area. But if you want a quiet and peaceful neighborhood, you live in the South Side or the West Side. Pero ang pinakamahal na area sa Edmonton na titirahan is dito sa area namin sa West. For some reason, yes, it's very expensive. Probably because we have everything. The West Edmonton Mall, the LRT. And in this neighborhood, we have 2 schools. One over here is the Sister Anata. And the other one on the other side is the Bessie Nichols. And I think conforme sa location, it depends on the area. Also here in West End, there are also some part here in the West End na cheap ang housing. Cheap pagka bibili ka ng bahay. My bill. Imiihi. But here in the Hamptons, mostly the houses are big. And yeah, pakita ko sa inyo ang school, malapit na kami dito sa side. And then maybe tomorrow, I will show you guys the opposite side. Bella, here. This way lang ga. Good girl. You wanna go in the woods, Belle? Huh? You wanna go in the woods? Should we go? Dito na lang tayo. We can just walk here. No lang ga ko. Here, this way. Yeah. Bella is a very good dog. She knows how to follow command. She understands, even if I speak Tagalog to her, she understands. Anyhow, this is the ground of Sister Anata. So, Bella and I, we usually go for a walk here. Hoy, it's not time for playing today. No? Let's go. It's not time for playing today, Langga. Come. Come on na. Let's go na. It's alright. It's okay, Belle. So, every day when I'm not working, Bella and I, we go for a walk here. But otherwise, when I'm tired, yeah, we go for like 5 minutes walk. It's just really around my neighborhood. But today, since I'm off, we go for a long route. So yun nga, dito din sa West End, merong mga area na cheap. Na titirahan. Let's go na lang ako. Pero, mostly ang mga bahay dito, mga apartments, condos, they're really hard. They're very expensive. Yan. Maganda dito sa ground. Dito kami lagi ni Bella. And ito yung Sister Anata na school. Come on na lang ako. So, itong Sister Anata na school, I think they're only up to grade 9. So, ito ang lakad namin ni Bella. Especially on the weekend that I'm not working. Friday, Saturday, up to Sunday morning, we go for a walk. But on my night off, Bella and I, we walk twice during the day. And yung length ng lakad namin is like around 2 hours walking. There you go. So, ito ang Sister Anata na school. Kung saan maraming mga bata na nag-aaral. Mostly, of course, the kids in the neighborhood, they come here. And then on the other one is Bessie Nichols. Tomorrow, we're going to go to Bessie Nichols School. So, this Sister Anata is just new. Kabibuild lang nila probably 5 years ago lang. Yeah. This area here used to be like mountains. Especially yung tinitirahan namin. Like 18 years ago, tatatlo lang yung bahay doon. Yeah. So merong bus na dumadaan dito sa neighborhood. There's only 2 buses that comes here. The 916, which is, this one is going to West Edmonton Mall. And the other one is the Super 900, I think. Na it goes to downtown. So, ito, Sister Anata. Sister Anata Brockman Catholic School. So, ayan yan sila. Let me zoom it there. And this school is up to grade 9. So, yun. So, kami ni Bella, maglalakad kami all the way down to the end. So, mamaya, itutur ko kayo sa neighborhood namin. Para makita nyo. And then I will tell you kung magkano yung mga bahay doon, kung anong maganda sa neighborhood. So anyhow guys, I hope you guys like this video. If you are new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell. And don't forget to comment, like, and share. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Look at the beautiful sun coming down there. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys on my next vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe, huh? Thank you. Bye for now.